Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix JBL Xtreme 2 not charging. If you want to fix the issue, then first thing you need to remember, there are many reasons which cause this issue. The first reason is the hardware issue. If the hardware of the speaker is faulty, then this issue will be rise. For that, check the adapters and check the power outlet and check the connectors of your speaker first. Like clean the connectors, change the adapters for that. And if you have software issues in your speaker, then you will need to follow these steps. The first thing you can try to press and hold the power button, the plus button, and the play button together about 10 seconds. And the second option is to press the plus button, the play button together about 10 seconds. And the third option is to press the plus button, the play button, and the minus button together about 10 to 15 seconds. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more of this type of content. Thanks for watching.